band, or a solo act based in the Northwest. If you would like your music played on Round Sound Radio, please send your MP3 to us. roundsound@inbox.com. Sorted.
You're amazing.
Yep, so all 6 entries on Sunday made it into our top 26 this week, guys. That's very impressive. There's normally at least 2 that don't quite even get into the top 26, but every single one went in. The top 5, it looks like somebody's just dropped a stick of dynamite on it. It's totally all shifted around. I won't give too much away, though. You'll have to wait and find out what the crack is. Right, okay, this week's number 18, guys. We have Mr. Jim Bob James with I'll Be Thinking of You. It is down 6 places this week. A little bit of a fall for him there, but again, you can correct that next week.
My love, I don't want you feeling alone. Even if we're miles apart, we're joined right onto the bone. I'll be thinking of you, my love, whenever I'm feeling blue. I'll be thinking of you, be thinking about the times we've had together, my love. I'll be thinking of I'll be thinking of you, my love, whenever I'm
Righty, we have the Johns with us here in the Live Lounge. Boys, how are we? Very nice on the air, that from Jimbo James. Up next at 17, guys, we have another wonderful tune by a chap called David Nixon with Moon and Stars. It's down 6 places. Been in the chart for quite some time as now Dave Nixon with this song. Oh, I can't think off the top of my head, but it's at least 6-7 weeks, somewhere around there. Very, very good. I think his high point was number 3. Beautiful, this tune. It was... Plums. It's no surprise it's been in the chart for so long. Have a go with this, guys. If you haven't heard this before, you're going to love it.
Said don't be a moon all your life. Make your own light and shine on the world. Don't bathe in reflective glory. Make your own life, write your own story. You want the moon and the stars to show them all where you are. But they made you go blind, who put you where you are. You want the moon and the stars to show them all where you are. On top of the road, all trapped behind bars and don't forget who got you there. Did I play no part? Do you not care? Did you generate your own publicity? Who got your face on billboards all over the city? You want the moon and the stars to show them all where you are. But they made you go blind, who put you where you are. You want the moon and the stars to show them all where you are. On top of the world, all trapped behind bars with me. Did my lunar eclipse create your blood moon? Did I stand in the light that was shining on you? Naked eyes and selective hearing eliminated the guy who's been doing the steering. You want the moon and the stars to show them all where you are. But they made you go blind, who put you where you are. You want the moon and the stars to show them all where you are. On top of the world, all trapped behind bars with me.
The best unsigned and original music in the Northwest. Every Thursday on Round Sound Radio, Northwest Unsigned and Original Top 20 Countdown.
Oh, young man!
Righty, at number 16 this week, guys, it is up one place. It is the mighty Boston Shakers with Black Magic. I went to see the lads yesterday in the Cavern. They had a special night on there that was hosted by Dave Monks, BBC Introducing. I'm not going to comment much more on Dave Monks. I think I've done enough of that last night. I'm so unprofessional, aren't I? But no, top night. Really enjoyed it. The lads smashed it as they always do. Pleasure to see a couple of the lads. I've seen Alex, he's the lead singer if you don't know, and he's just walking around sort of looking very, very stressed. So I thought, I think I'll leave him alone actually and just sit off. But yeah, cracking performance. A couple of other acts on there as well who were very good as well. Good night, enjoyed it. This is Black Magic. This is number 16, the Boston Shakers. And don't forget, guys, if you like anything you're listening to on the show tonight, do get onto our Facebook page, find that track, find that link, give it a share, give it a listen, tell your mates. This is Black Magic. Have a go.
Laser beam sweat falling from the ceiling. All the shady people looking so appealing. The beer's warm, but no one really gives a damn. Harder stuff required, no time for tired, get wired. Strobe lights and smoke, I'm losing focus with my wide eyes. But the bouncers never notice, they don't care. They got tank tops and glow sticks, cracked out on Jack Dan and Red Bull Post Mix. Let them play how they wanna, see how bad they want it. Feeling supersonic, but I'm actually quite nauseous. Spilling gin and tonic on this hot chick, she lost it. About to lose the plot, how long till I come off this? You do the shots and you made the call, but you don't feel like you're even coming up at all. Smoking fast cause we're on a run, they give you such a hard time for having fun. I think you're wasted and I can taste it. Chemicals on the tip of your